we robbed of a Finn Bálor babyface turn? So as we all know, Finn Bálor ruined the match between AJ Styles and CM Punk and laid claim to the World Championship after he tried to declare for the Royal Rumble after CM Punk showed him respect, but Adam Pearce denied it, saying the Royal Rumble was full. Amidst the chaos of Punk questioning what Finn Bálor wants his legacy to be, and Liv Morgan questioning his alliance with the Judgment Day, it really does seem that Finn Bálor is in a central storyline, and for me, I really love the direction. While I do love Finn as a babyface, and I think there was an opportunity to put him more towards that pathway on WWE Raw, solidifying what happened last week, I don't think this direction is going to deter from the babyface Finn turn all that much. The storyline currently is Finn Bálor questioning what he wants his legacy to be, but to be honest, both when he was with and without the Judgment Day have their flaws and weaknesses. Because when he was on his own and winning championships, he wasn't really the center focus of attention when it came to being Universal Champion, being injured shortly after that, and being US and Intercontinental Champion. He didn't really necessarily light the world on fire. And ever since he joined the Judgment Day, he's gotten several tag team title runs, symbolizing that he's more of a team player than he is a central focus to himself, intentional or not. So you can understand Finn Bálor from a character perspective is very conflicted right now, because every time he goes for solo success on his own, it usually is with a caveat where he's not the focus. And with the Judgment Day, he does have a group of friends by his side, but he's never the center of attention. By the end of his story with CM Punk, I do feel like Finn Bálor is going to be a babyface by the end of it. If not by WrestleMania, then sooner than that. Where do you think Finn Bálor's pathway is going to lead him? Let me know.